welcome to ABSE. Be sure to hit that subscribe button now. Hua. So guys, I'm going to show you something about the crawler's graveyard. It's going to be super cool. I've actually taken a lot of footage on it. I hope you guys enjoy that footage. I'll be doing a voiceover so that there's better voice quality, and also I need to tell you a few things. I will display the scientific names if you need to know them. They will be on the bottom left corner of the video, because as I said, this channel is getting more and more professional. And do you like my new background? Hope you do. So let's just get into the footages. Yeah, if it's a voiceover, I know some of the actions and everything are going to go badly, but let's just give it a try, shall we? So this is the crawler's graveyard, the terrarium of centipedes, wolf spiders and other creatures. You can see my wolf spider close to the water, because this one likes to live close to water for some reason. Look, it's just running around. Can you see it? There's some moss in the crawler's graveyard. There are springtails and everything running around. Hope you guys are liking the voiceover. So yeah, I don't know why I'm showing all this. Yeah. So this is the paludarium section of the crawler's graveyard. It looks so cool, right? I know, because it's just like a hole in the ground and filled with water. There's my wolf spider. It belongs to the family Lycosidae. These guys have very, very huge eyes, excellent vision. They sense a lot of vibrations, and surprisingly, they don't build webs. Can you see it? It is just so cool. As I said, the footages I captured were a bit great. So this is my old animal room. I just filmed some footage of it. My Christmas tree thing is alive. And yeah, a lot of failed terrarium builds. That's a snail right there. Snails belong to the class Gastropoda. The wolf spider is running around. I've put some curry patta leaves and a press me not plant actually. Then I put some clippings from the Christmas tree thing. I don't know the exact name of the tree. Actually, this voiceover is going great. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the footage of the crawler's graveyard. This is just so mesmerizing, right? Whoa. Hope you guys are liking this footage. I'm mostly just filming my wolf spider and yeah, filming some random thing. As I said, it's an old recording, so my direction was a bit off track and everything. Please bear with that. And yeah, it is being invaded by some ants. This video was taken before I filmed the video ABSE, moving my creatures into a new enclosure. As you guys know, you know my wolf spider is dead, right? I wish I find one again and keep it in an enclosure, not the crawler's graveyard. I won't tell you how it died, but yeah, I will give a shot of keeping it. The next video is also going to be related to the crawler's graveyard. Stay tuned for that. So, do you like the glass bowl in which I've made this terrarium? Yeah, this was gifted to me by one of my friends, so I decided to use it to make a terrarium. Beautiful, isn't it? I just put a terrarium on my side. Ignore that. So the snail is walking around, not walking, it's crawling around. Snails have one long muscular foot which they use to move around. And you know spiders have 8 legs, right? Because they are arachnids. Oh, and here are my flatback millipedes. I used to call them centipede millipede hybrids, just for fun. Actually, it's just one. I thought it was two. It's going close to the paludarium section of the crawler's graveyard. So yeah, this is some really mesmerizing footage. I have some springtails and isopods inside. Now comes the cool footage of the wolf spider. Exclusive footage. She is actually cleaning herself, as you can see. Her back legs can bend so much. In fact, all of her legs can. And yeah, there are pharaoh ants crawling around. I am actually keeping them as pets now, but why am I actually revealing to you what I'm going to take my videos on? And yeah, my tweezers scooped them up. I put them where they belong, in their vivarium. So yeah, I told you the footage of my pharaoh ants in their vivarium is coming up. Look at the water glinting across the surface of the soil. It's actually like a marshland. Okay, here's the flatback millipede. Wow. It walks in such a nice way. Amazing, right? So as I said, the scientific names are going to be displayed, means the classification things are going to be displayed on the bottom left corner, as you can see. Here is some thread moss and some java moss, and the millipede is traveling back because they don't like a lot of water. Look at the water glistening off the surface of the soil. Oh, a pharaoh ant. Monomorium pharaonis, as you can see from the scientific name. There is an earthworm as well. Cool. There's the earthworm. And here is. I have collected some plants from the wild and I've added them in this paludarium. Paludarium is basically just a half land, half water terrarium. And I added some creatures in it. Why am I recording the wall? What is wrong with me? I have no clue. Some more on the paludarium section. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Yeah, the sounds of the birds. It's so pleasant. Stay safe, stay sanitized, stay subscribed. This is ABSE signing out. Goodbye.